Good morning. How are you? I hope you all are fine at home. Today I going to teach you vegetable subject GK. But before let me tell you date, day, weather and season. Which day? 29 October 2020. Which day? Thursday. How's weather outside? Cold. Which season going on? Winter season. Okay, I explain about flashcard with vegetable. Okay, look here children, which picture is this? Bottle gourd. And next, which picture is this? Ginger. Which picture? Ginger. You know children, which picture is this? Garlic. Which picture? Garlic. And next, which picture is this? This is a jackfruit. You know children, which picture is this? Lemon. 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 And next, which picture is this? Onion. 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 And next one, which picture is this? Cauliflower. Which picture is this? Cauliflower. And next, which picture is this? Carrot. Which picture is this? Carrot. Carrot color orange. And next, which picture is this? Radish. And next, which picture is this? Tomato. 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 Tomato color red color. And next, which picture is this? Capsicum. Which color? Red, yellow and green. And next, which picture is this? Ladyfinger. Which picture? Ladyfinger. And next, bitter gourd. Which picture? Bitter gourd. And next, cabbage. Which picture is this? Cabbage. And which picture is this? Potato. 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 And next, which picture is this? Brinjal. 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 Okay, look here children, look at the blackboard. Which picture is this? Beetroot. 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 Carrot. 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 Radish. 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 Peas. 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 Ladies. Ladies. finger. Finger. Ladies. Finger. Which picture is this? Beans. 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 Which picture is this? Tomato. 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 Which picture is this? Capsicum. 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 And next one, which picture is this? Bitter gourd. Bitter. Bitter. Gourd. Bitter gourd. Bitter. Bitter gourd. And next, turnip. N-I-P, turnip. P-O-T-A-T-O, potato. Which picture is this? Potato. P-O-T-A-T-O, potato. P-U-M-P-K-I-N, pumpkin. P-U-M-P-K-I-N, pumpkin. And next, cauliflower. Which picture is this? Cauliflower. C-A-U-L-I-F-L-O-W-E-R, cauliflower. C-A-U-L-I-F-L-O-W-E-R, cauliflower. O-N-I-O-N, onion. O-N-I-O-N, onion. B-R-I-N-J-A-L, brinjal. Y-A-M, yam. Y-A-M, yam. C-U-C-U-M-B-E-R, cucumber. C-U-C-U-M-B-E-R, cucumber. Okay. Look here children, open your GK notebook. So write here vegetable names, and so write here C A double R O T, carrot. C-A-R-R-O-T, carrot. And next, so write here children L-A-D-Y-F-I-N-G-E-R, lady finger. L-A-D-Y-F-I-N-G-E-R, lady finger. And next, what is the spelling of the radish? So write here R-A-D-I-S-H, radish. R-A-D-I-S-H, radish. And next picture, peas. So write here spelling peas. P-E-A-S, peas. P-E-A-S, peas. Carrot, ladyfinger, radish, peas. And next one, tomato spelling. What is the spelling of the tomato? So write here T-O-M-A-T-O, tomato. T-O-M-A-T-O, tomato. And next, capsicum. What is the spelling of the capsicum? C-A-P-S-I-C-U-M, capsicum. C-A-P-S-I-C-U-M, capsicum. And next, what is the spelling of the potato? Which picture? Potato. So write here P-O-T-A-T-O, potato. P-O-T-A-T-O, potato. And next, onion. Which picture is this? Onion. What is the spelling of the onion? So write here children O-N-I-O-N, onion. O-N-I-O-N, onion. And next, brinjal. What is the spelling of the brinjal? B R I N J A L, brinjal. B R I N J A L, brinjal. And next, what is the spelling of the beetroot? So write here B double E T R double O T, beetroot. B double E T R double O T, beetroot. And next, what is the spelling of the spinach? S P I N A C H, spinach. S P I N A C H, spinach. And next, cabbage. Which picture is this? Cabbage. C A double B A G E, cabbage. C A double B A G E, cabbage. And next, which picture is this? Lemon. What is the spelling of the lemon? Sorry, L E M O N, lemon. L E M O N, lemon. Okay. And next, C A double R O T, carrot. L A D Y F I N G E R, ladyfinger. R A D I S H, radish. P E A S, peas. T O M A T O, tomato. C A P S I C U M, capsicum. P O T A T O, potato. O N I O N, onion. B R I N J A L, brinjal. B double E T R double O T, beetroot. S P I N A C H, spinach. C A double B A G E, cabbage. L E M O N, lemon. Okay. And next, book number 3. Book number 3. Open book number 3 and open your page number 50, 50 and 51, 51. Look here, children. C I R C L E, circle. T H E, the. L E A F Y, leafy. V E G E T A B L E S, vegetables. W I T H, with. G R E E N, green. C O L O U R, color. Circle the leafy vegetable with green color. Okay, look here, children. Which picture is this? Ginger. Ginger is a leafy vegetable? No. And next, which picture is this? Onion. Onion is a leafy vegetable? No. And next, which picture is this? Which picture is this? You know, children, which picture is this? Fenugreek. So, circle, leafy vegetable. And next, you know, children, which picture is this? Garlic. Which picture is this? Garlic. Garlic is a leafy vegetable? No. And next, which picture is this? Which picture is this? Cabbage. Which picture is this? Cabbage. Cabbage is a leafy vegetable. Cabbage is a leafy vegetable. And next, leafy vegetable. Potato is a leafy vegetable? No. लीफी वेजिटेबल, जहाँ आपको लीफी वेजिटेबल दिखाई देता है वहाँ आपको सर्कल करना है. पोटैटो लीफी वेजिटेबल? नो. स्पिनच इज अ लीफी वेजिटेबल एंड इट्स वन लीफी वेजिटेबल. ओके, क्या करना है आपको? सर्कल द लीफी वेजिटेबल्स विथ ग्रीन कलर. जहाँ आपको लीफी वेजिटेबल का पिक्चर दिया गया हुआ है उस पे आपको सर्कल करना है. एंड नेक्स्ट, बुक नंबर 3 एंड पेज नंबर 51. ओपन योर 51 पेज नंबर. टिक द वेजिटेबल वी कैन ईट रो ऑल्सो. TICK टिक, THE द, VEGATABLES vegetables, WEV CAN can, EAT eat, RAW row, ALSO also. Tick the vegetable we can eat raw also means आप जो कच्चा खा सकते हो उसको हम eat raw vegetable कहते हैं. Which picture is this? कैबेज. कैबेज को हम कच्चा खा सकते हैं. सो टिक द कैबेज. एंड नेक्स्ट, लेडी फिंगर. नो, उसको हम कच्चा नहीं खा सकते. एंड नेक्स्ट, विच पिक्चर इज दिस? पोटैटो. विच पिक्चर इज दिस? पोटैटो. पोटैटो इट रो ऑल्सो? नो. एंड नेक्स्ट, which picture is this? Peas. Which picture is this? Peas. Peas को भी हम कच्चा नहीं खा सकते. And next, which picture is this? Tomato. Tomato is raw. So take the tomato. And which picture is this? Cucumber. Cucumber को हम कच्चा खा सकते हैं. So take the cucumber. And next, which picture is this? Brinjal. Which picture is this? Brinjal. Brinjal को हम कच्चा नहीं खा सकते. And which picture is this? Bitter gourd. Bitter gourd को भी हम कच्चा नहीं खा सकते. Okay?